Hey guys, in this video I want to be giving you my Chicken Road app review. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so Chicken Road is a fast-paced arcade style gambling game where you're guide your chicken across the grid, trying to avoid hidden traps while increasing your multiplier with every safe step. Each move comes with a choice: keep going for bigger rewards or cash out before losing it all. The game's biggest strength lies in its simplicity and suspense. It's easy to understand and quick to play, with fun cartoon visuals and smooth performance on both mobile and the web. The step or stop mechanic creates real tension, keeping players on edge with every tap. The multiplier system is satisfying and gives a strong sense of risk versus reward, which can be very addictive. However, Chicken Road is extremely high risk. One wrong step and you lose everything. So while it can feel rewarding in short bursts, it's not something to rely on for consistent wins. There's also limited variety. The core gameplay loop never really changes, which can make it repetitive after a while. Players should also be mindful of how easy it is to chase losses, since the thrill of just one more try can lead to overspending. But overall, Chicken Road is a fun, simple, and adrenaline-filled app that works best for those who enjoy gambling-style games with quick rounds and instant feedback. It's entertaining for short sessions, but should always be approached responsibly. Play it for fun, not for profit.